Hey! Welcome back to Rainbow Brush with me, Simon, today. Hi guys. Today we're gonna start off by drawing 3 rainbow ponies for you. So get yourself your pencils, your pens, your colours, your crayons, whatever you're choosing to draw with today. You might even be using a blackboard, and you might even be using chalk. That'd be fantastic if you could draw this in chalk on your blackboards. So first of all, rainbow ponies. They're cool. Gonna draw them in different scenarios. I think we'll put some in an ice cream cone, just to make them look a little bit different for you. If you want to start off your drawing with pencils, you can do. Makes it easy. If you make a mistake, you can just rub out the pencil. And then when you're happy with your finished article, you can go over the outline in a black pen. And then again, at the end, you can highlight the outer edge of your drawing or any outlines that you want to do in a thicker black pen. By doing it in a thicker black pen, what you do then is you allow yourself the ability to colour in your internal areas up to the thick black marker pen and overlap into the thick black marker pen and not go outside the line. Because the thick black marker pen will override any other colour if they cross over. So you'll always see the thick black marker pen and your reds, your yellows, your blues, your greens will disappear into the black and you'll not see it. It makes it easier to colour in with at the end. To make your animals look cuter and more like toys, always draw them with big eyes, big, beautiful, gazing eyes. We'll colour these eyes in later on, but we're going to colour them in sort of rainbow colours again, make them look really pretty and really cool and cute. You can't see this one yet, but on the left-hand side, the one we've just drawn on the left-hand side there, is sat in an ice cream cone. We're going to make that big ice cream cone. Got all our most colourful colours out. Got reds, pinks, yellows ready, cyans, blues. Do you know how to spell pony? Can you spell pony? After 3, spell pony for me. 1, 2, 3. P-O-N-Y. Well done. That's how you spell pony. And do you know what ponies grow into? Ponies grow into horses. Yeah, well done. Put this one in a wafer cone again. How cool is that? Could you fit in an ice cream cone? If you could live in an ice cream cone, if you were small enough to sit and live in an ice cream cone, would you? I think it'd be great fun. Don't forget as well, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel and catch up with all our Rainbow Brush videos. Find out how to draw tons and tons of things. Amazing things. Can make yourself a better artist. If you're into art, make sure you subscribe and get your mums and dads to subscribe to the Rainbow Brush YouTube channel here. Or you can follow us also on Facebook. Wow. So we're drawing Rainbow Pony number 3 now. Give her some really cool funky hair. Gonna colour all this in really, really bright colours later. How cool does that hair look? Gonna make that nice and colourful for us later. She's like a rainbow pony lollipop there. Don't forget, whenever you do your outlines, make sure you always let the black pen dry first before you start colouring in. Otherwise, when you draw a lighter colour, it may smudge. But if you let it dry 100%, it won't smudge. It will allow you to go straight over the black and you'll still see the black and not the colour. So on this one, we've got blues, we've got cyans, we've got pinks for you. She looks like a little beautiful little unicorn, doesn't she, with that horn? Very light colour on the face, like a lilac colour we've gone for the face here. Because this one's got very purples and pinks, and the base colour's the same. When you use lilac, purple, pinks, it's all the same base colour. Do you know what your 3 primary colours are? You should do. Look how good that looks. That's the trick of using the thick black marker pen and letting it dry, because you can just go over it. Use a light brown for the cone and the wafer. You don't have to do the same colours we've done here, because it's your drawing. You can use any colour you want. If you've got other bright, wonderful colours, you can use other colours, any colour you want. If you wanted to, you could just draw this with a pencil, and just by pressing harder in different areas when you're colouring in with your pencil, you'll get different shades of grey. And again, another brilliant idea is when you're colouring in with a pencil, if you turn the pencil very much on its side so it's nearly lying flat, you get a beautiful different light colour of grey. It's brilliant. If you use the tip of the pencil and press on hard, you get a much thicker, blacker line. Gives you sort of the old-fashioned black and white look. Sometimes on pictures that looks really, really cool, especially if you're doing a portrait. So look what we did with the pony number 2 there. We've got oranges, yellows, lilacs, cyans. Again, whatever colour you choose on your ponies, it's entirely down to you. Whatever colour you fancy using. Ponies live on farms, don't they, most of the time? Have you an idea where on a farm a pony would live? What's a pony's house called? Where would a pony live with its mum and dad? Where do they live? In what? They live in... It begins with the letter S. On 3, 1, 2, 3, a stable. Yeah, ponies live in stables. So there you go, 3 rainbow ponies for you. Don't be scared either to leave some of your ponies white if you want. White's always a great colour to leave it. It enhances all the other colours too, especially if you leave the eyes white. It's fantastic, that's really, really good. So go on, you can watch this rainbow video again to learn how to draw your rainbow ponies. I'll catch you next time on Rainbow Brush. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel here. Just click on the subscribe button on this page, or follow us on our Facebook page. Learn how to draw hundreds and hundreds of different things.